Sahil plants 4 saplings in a row in his garden. The distance between two adjacent saplings is 3 by 4 meter. Find the distance between first and the last sapling. So assume that let's take a straight line. So if this is a straight line and the Sahil plants, let's suppose first sapling is here, okay, second sapling is here, the third sapling is here, and the fourth sapling is here in his garden. First sapling here, second here, third here, the fourth here. The distance between two adjacent saplings is 3 by 4 meter. Now you can clearly see that each distance, the distance between these two saplings, and these two saplings is 3 by 4 meter. That is equal. So this is 3 by 4 meter. This one is also 3 by 4 meter. This one too is 3 by 4 meter. Okay, so 3 by 4 meter, 3 by 4 meter, 3 by 4 meter. Let's number it. It's sapling 1, it's 2, it's 3, and it's 4. Now it's being asked to you is what's the distance between first and the last, that is a fourth sapling. So we know that in order to reach from this sapling to this sapling, you'll first cover this 3 by 4 meter, again 3 by 4 meter, and again 3 by 4 meter. That is 3 by 4 meter plus 3 by 4 meter plus 3 by 4 meter. That is 3 times 3 by 4 meter, because we have 3 times this 3 by 4, and this will be 3 times 3, the whole number multiplied to a fraction. It means first multiply the whole number with the fraction with the numerator of this fraction, then divide by this denominator. So this will be 9 times 4. Sorry, 9 divided by 4, 9 by 4. This 9 by 4 is an improper fraction. Even this answer is also correct. But if you want to convert this improper fraction into mixed fraction, then we know that what we have to do. Simply divide this 9 by 4. You'll get 2 as the quotient. So 2, 1 as the remainder, and this 4 as the divisor. So this will be, this is improper fraction, and this one is mixed fraction of the same one. This is a second word problem, and in this one the question is Lipika reads a book for, this is a mixed fraction, for 1 and 3 by 4 hours. So it's a mixed fraction. Every day it tells you that 1 hour full and 3/4 of an hour. So 1 3 by 4 hours every day. She reads the entire book in 6 days. So in 6 days, this is hours per day. So every day she spends these many hours, and in 6 days she completes a single book. How many hours in all were required by her to read the book? Now if you remember the unitary method, a method in which we first try to find out for one single unit. Okay, in this case you have to find out the total hours that will be required in 6 days. So for one day she takes 1 3 by 4 hours. If you try to convert this mixed fraction in the form of an improper fraction, then that will be 4 times 1 plus 3 divided by 4. This will be 4 times 1 is 4 plus 3, that is 7 by 4 hours. So in one day, she takes 7 by 4 hours. So according to unitary method, first you have the value for one day. That is in one day, that is for unitary, she takes 7 by 4 hours. Therefore, in 6 days, how many hours she will take to complete the total book, the entire book? So for 6 days, it will be 6 times 7 by 4 hours. These many hours total hours she will take in 6 days, and this will be 6 times 7 divided by 4, since it is whole number multiplied by a fraction. So first multiply this whole number with this numerator and then divide by denominator. This is 42 by 4. Now this fraction 42 by 4 is in the form of an improper fraction. Let's convert this into a mixed fraction. Even this answer is also correct. But to represent in the form of mixed fraction has one benefit, and we'll just discuss that shortly. So if we divide this 42 by 4, you'll get 1, then subtraction here, this is gone, it's 2 here, 0, right? So this will be 0 only, right? So this tells us that it can be written in the form of this divisor, this is quotient, and this is remainder. So 10, that is the quotient, then the remainder 2 divided by this divisor, that is 4. So this is a mixed fraction of this one. What does it tell? It tells us that she will take 10 hours and 2/4 of an hour. She will take 10 hours plus 1/4 of an hour. Okay, just trying to explain you that what's the benefit of writing in the form of a mixed fraction. It explains clearly that how many hours she is going to take. This 42 by 4 will not tell exactly that. Like here you can know that it's 10 plus something hour, but from this improper fraction you cannot conclude anything. So even this one is also correct answer. You can write in the form of this one, but it's much better.